roads though, fucking hell. Oh! Which way are you going, dickhead? Oh yeah, mate, get me knee down, get me fucking knee down. Oh yeah! Woohoo! Yeah, a lot of wind noise in this lid. Oh god. Oh dear. I'll do. How are you? You alright? Good. So I started up a new channel. Right, so we're off on an adventure. Oh fucking hell! Oh my fucking bollocks, mate. Jesus fucking... Okay, one thing about the fucking MT09, which is absolute dog shit, by the way, if you're thinking about getting one, is the stock suspension. Oh my god. If you can afford it, I'd go up to the SP. If you can get the MT09 SP, and you're a bigger chap like me, you know, if you're over £200, over 15 stone, something like that, I'd get the SP, just because the suspension, you're not going to have to spend money on it, basically. Although the front forks on the SP aren't Ohlins, the rear shock is Ohlins. But if you look at this shit, look, I'm on a fucking trampoline, man. It's absolutely fucking awful for people like me, you know, of the bigger disposition. Hopefully the wind noise won't be too bad, because it is really fucking windy for whatever reason. It's been absolutely cracking the flags. Oh shit, wrong lane. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Oops, sorry mate, thank you. Well, this is going well. Yeah, he's been absolutely cracking the flags recently. But for some reason, the day that I need to actually fucking go somewhere, it's so windy. Yesterday was so windy. Alright love, shut up, Jesus. Got his sat nav screaming at me. But yeah, the weather's a bit weird. Very strange. But yeah, if you're gonna get the if you're gonna get the MT09, I would recommend going for the SP, solely on the basis that the suspension is so bad for big people. So, what do you expect for a budget bike, you know? Oh, birdies, hello. So yeah, I've had this bike, and again, the wind is absolutely ridiculous today, so apologies if that's all you can hear is the fucking wind, but oh well, who gives a shit? I can't control the wind, can I? Fuck me. The wind noise on this helmet it's a new helmet. My god, the wind noise is shit. Jesus Christ, man. This is worse than the RI. But it is a race helmet, so you can't really expect too much, can you? So I've had the MT09 now for about, well, I've had it since February or March, something like that. However, unfortunately, I haven't had that much time to use it, solely on the basis that it's been a horrific lockdown recently. So you know, there's not really much that I can do. I swear there was someone behind me then. What the fuck? So yeah, lockdown. Oh, it's been eased in the UK now slightly, so we're allowed to go wherever we want within reason in England. Obviously Wales, Scotland, they haven't changed yet. But we can go wherever we want within reason, i.e. if you want to go do some exercise, you can basically go as long as you, as big a journey as you want to in order to get to the journey, in order to get to that place to exercise. I want to take this on the track, and I do not feel comfortable with taking this on the track currently how it sits, because it is just, oh god, I thought it was a junction then, fucking hell. It is just too, I don't know what the word is, it's just so, it's just unnerving with And the thing is though, is like, I can't use the bike to its potential, solely because the power that it does make, although it's not the most, you know, it's not the greatest power in the world, it makes it quite all over the place. It makes it throughout the entire rev range, up until about sort of 10. I mean, even from at the bottom now, you know, it's second gear, you know, it's not slow, but it does take a while to pick up. Now, I've been talking to a few guys called P3 Tuning, and what they've done is basically they just do ECU flashes, and obviously with it being coronavirus at the minute, you know, with it being the coronavirus, you know, epidemic at the minute, they aren't doing dynos. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to send the ECU in, have it flashed, because they've done so many MT09s. Wow, that's cool as fuck. Look at that. Jesus Christ. This is Marbury Park in Northwich, by the way. They've done so many of these bikes, because so many people have them, that basically, fucking hell, get a move on. Jesus fucking Christ, man. Anyway, rants and shit over. So basically, yeah, I've got a lot to do to this bike, and I have done quite a bit already. Like I said, I've got the ECU coming up. I've got these bars on them. These are the Renthal Carmichaels, I believe. And these are fucking awesome. These are really nice bars. Okay, this guy's going down there. That's another thing with this bike, is the engine braking is fucking insane. That is so grim. Oh, bloody hell. He must be famous. So that was Anton Boat Lift. If you know anywhere around here, this is Anton Boat Lift. It's absolutely rammed at the minute. So is where I live as well. It's absolutely fucking rammed, because everyone thinks it's now time for everyone to go back out again, when it's just not, in my opinion. Like I said, I've been working from home now for fucking months. It's been pretty difficult, to be honest, because I'm not a purple person. Wow, brain damage. I'm not a people person. However, I do miss having people around, you know. And yeah, it's been a bit grim, to be honest. However, you know, it'll all end at some point. It's like life. Wow. But yeah, it'll all peter down at some point. Yeah, it really is fucking gorgeous around here. Because I'm moving up here, because it's beautiful. I mean, look at it. And I'm at the back end as well, which is, you know, kind of peaceful out the way, which is nice to have. You know, I like a bit of peace and quiet myself. I'm not a city boy. I'm not a city boy. Fucking look, it's cute. Jesus, I've lived in the country my entire life, basically. You know, man. Oh god, here we go. Come on, fuckers. I should have stayed behind that white line, to be honest. Ooh, hello. That's a fucking nice car. I've already had a look inside. I know the place quite well. It's for me, it's absolutely perfect. Honestly, a little tiny house, and it'll do me well for a bit. Ooh, powder coating. Ooh, that might be a shout, actually. I've been looking for a powder coating company for me headers on my bike. Cool. I'm basically here now. So this is going to be my new residence, and like I said, it's a really pretty area from where I've come from. It's a big upgrade for me. It just looks like a really nice, quiet area. So I'm going to be happy in moving here. I think. I hope. No idea when I'm going to be moving now. We'll get to see what happens, eh? God, this pin lock really makes me feel a bit sick.